Hello everyone, my name is Alina. I've already updated my profile but haven't recorded the video yet. So now I'm going to demonstrate how you can edit your profile. So let's go to here, you see your name, preferences, edit profile. In the first field you enter your name, then goes your surname, your email address. If you want to have here the field to choose the option if you want to hide your email address or allow everyone to see it. Here you enter your city name. My city name is Lutsk. I'm from Ukraine. Very important one is to choose your time zone. My time zone is Europe, Kiev. In this field you can add description, your own description. You can choose the font, the size. Let me just change the font size. So let it be like that. Okay. Then we can go here to the field use a picture. Let me choose the picture for my avatar. I can go to one of my folders. Here I have my picture. I will just drag it and drop it here. I've already added a description that is my 31st birthday. Over here you can add your interests. I have here traveling, handmade, and swimming. And optional field, you can add your ICQ number, Skype ID, your ID number, phone number, mobile number, and address. I think I will add my Skype ID. And that's it. And click Update Profile. Yeah, everything is saved. Thank you for watching.